Hi, this is PC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make puzzle fit on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Have you ever peeked at the Instagram profile of someone and wondered how they made such a clean, professional fit? You may have looked at an account managed by professional graphic designers in certain situations. These eye-catching fits can be developed by the average creator with some careful planning. These are called puzzle fits. So in this video, I will show you how to make puzzle fit on your Instagram feed. So first of all, I will show you first my Instagram. I've made puzzle fit before like this. So here's the puzzle fit. And now I will show you how to do it. So first of all, we have to download, install application Grid Maker. It will help you to make puzzle fit more easier. You can install on Play Store. Now you can open the app. Now you can tap on Grid Maker. You can go to settings to allow the permission. You can go back, tap on Grid Maker. Now you can you can choose the picture that you want to make to puzzle fit on your feed. I will choose this for the example. And you can also choose if you want to the size of the grid maker. I will make for maybe for 3 like this. 3x1. Now you can tap on the upper right corner here. So here, if there's an advertising, you can just close. You can tap on the photos in order to of their number to post Instagram feed. You can save grid image. So first, number one picture is the first photos that we have to upload. You can tap on feed. Tap on the upper corner. Click on next. You can add caption or you want to just share. We'll share. You can go back again to the grid. Tap on picture number 2. Choose feed to the same thing. Tap on next and share. You go back again to the grid apps. Tap on number 3. Choose feed. Can upload next and share. Get refresh the page and waiting for Instagram finishing up. And now you can see. Let's see on my Instagram feed. So here's my puzzle feed on Instagram. You can see my profile looks more interesting and more aesthetic. So simple, right? So that is how to make puzzle fit on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.